Today is the day of Canary Islands, Canarian Day, and I'm playing in San Juan. A couple songs in the corner spot here, a nice view, and I got this little bracelet from a lady and a hat to protect me from the sun. So good.
And anytime you feel the pain, hey Jude, refrain. Don't carry the world upon your shoulders. For well you know that it's a fool who plays it cool by making this world a little colder. Hey Jude, don't let me down. You have found her, now go and get her. Oh, remember to let her into your heart, and then you can start to make it better. But you hurt someday, everything is gonna be alright. Come and raise your glass and say, here's to the ones that we got. Cheers to the words you are here but you're not, cause the drinks bring back all the memories of everything we've been through. A toast to the ones here today, toast to the ones that we lost on the way, cause the drinks bring back all the memories, and the memories bring back you.
Alright, the first session is so successful. We earned cash and lots of applause from people. Whoa! Today we busking with Sunshine, the guitar Sunshine. That's her name. It's yellow, electric. And here we got a couple of shots from Playa San Juan. So sunny and beautiful, with a little breeze. The other side of the island is a bit more windy. This is the left side of the island. The right side is more windy. This is like the best calisthenics spot I ever seen. Look at this blue water, such a color, huh? I would love to jump there, but not today. So pretty. I'm going to have ice cream and coffee in Belly Fresky. Cafe cortado, special type of coffee. It's like coffee with espresso with milk. So Spanish. Me gusta. Alrighty, I'm driving to another spot. Let's see. Alright, here we are, Puerto de Santiago, and then we got Los Gigantes. Let's go, baby. It's so awesome here. This was my first spot that I came to work a little bit. So Puerto de Santiago was my first stop. Las Arenas. The beach here, so good. Lifeguard was kicking me out from the water because it was red flag always. They crazy here about it though. Oh, I went for a swim. Las Arenas. Playa Las Arenas. Good vibes.